The Pixel 7 is officially here and now it's time for the Pixel 7 Pro to take on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Google comeback from this year is going to be better than ever because Google is bringing Pixel 7 series to more markets, bringing a real challenge to Samsung. Now, if we'll compare both of these devices, there are still going to be some compromises that has been made by Google. So let's begin the video. So starting with the price, the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro are retaining the same price as the last year model, which is quite a bit cheaper compared to Galaxy S22 series. You are definitely saving a lot of money with the Pixel 7 Pro when compared with the S22 Ultra because it's costing you around $1,200. Really, it's looking to be absolutely value king in 2022, but as usual, there are some downsides to this that you need to know. Now, with the design, the both the phones are having their iconic look. Personally, I like the matte finish of the S22 Ultra, which is definitely the best one on the market, hands down. On the other hand, the Pixel 7 Pro also bringing a unique look of its own with an even better character than the last year model. The two-tone finish is gone, but now we have a better color coordinated polished metal camera bump that looks really stunning. It is actually the most eye-catching part of the design. We also have the polished metal on the sides, but just like last year, the back is glossy, which is definitely going to attract more fingerprints compared to the matte finish of the S22 Ultra, which is something I prefer. Both of these phones pack great camera. The Pixel 7 Pro this year is beast, although it's retaining the same camera lens as the last year. But we have a new ultra wide angle lens that now have a macro mode, a very balanced 5x of telephoto zoom and also double as super resolution zoom, which gives you a pretty long good range. Also, we have the 10.8 megapixel front facing camera, which is definitely going to provide you better value as compared to last year. Now, one of the things that Google is bringing this year is the 4K 60 FPS frame rate for all the camera lens, which is definitely going to be a great option to have. There's even a cinematic blur on this phone, which gives you a nice bokeh on the background. And it's going to be kind of similar to the iPhone 14 series. Samsung does have very well 108 megapixel sensor and it still has one of the best zoom camera setup on the market, but it seems like Google is catching up with Samsung. Google is not packing almost all the camera features that Samsung would offer, plus a proper astrophotography mode which is better than any other camera out there. Considering the price point of the Pixel 7 Pro and the age of the S22 Ultra, the Pixel 7 Pro now seems to have an upper hand over the S22 Ultra. It seems that Google has gone all the way up with the cameras, but they cut some corners short when it comes to the display. Now, Samsung will have their upper hand. Both phones are having a Quad HD resolution display with a 120Hz LTPO panel refresh rate. The big difference in here is that the brightness of the Samsung is a lot more than the Pixel 7 Pro. So it's rocking a 1700 nits of brightness compared to 1500 nits on the Pixel 7 Pro, which is almost like an upper mid-range level brightness. Now, in terms of processor, this is one of the things that Google is marketing, which is their new Tensor G2 chip, which is actually made by Samsung on their brand new 4nm process. It has a slightly improved CPU, improved GPU and the NPU performance. It's using the Mali G710, which is actually pretty good. The S22 Ultra has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 slightly. It has also built on the Samsung processor, but its performance is not good. Now, Google also has magically improved their animation and overall smoothness of the UI is being better as compared to S22 Ultra, which is still lagging behind from other competitors. Now, when it comes to battery, both devices are going to be packing up 5000 mAh and the S22 Ultra is not known for its good battery life, especially when it considering the pricing that is costing. Google also didn't impress anyone with the Pixel 6 Pro battery life, so we guess that this year Pixel 7 series is going to be performing better in terms of the battery thanks to this new 4nm process node. And yo guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.